Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Binance 2FA Google Authenticator, alright? And by the way, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account yet, or even if you have, you can go ahead and click on the link below in the description or in the comments for you to be able to earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Also, it will help support the channel. Now, going back, now you actually have two options. The first option, if you can access the Binance app right here, okay, just go ahead over to your profile. Right here at the top left, tap on it, tap on profile and tap on security. Now go ahead and go to Authenticator app. You can go ahead and change the Authenticator app from here, or you can go ahead and just easily delete it. Okay, just tap on these check boxes and hit on continue. And once done, it's gone. Now, if your problem is you're trying to log into Binance, let's say you opened up Binance, it needs an authenticator or authenticator app code, and you don't have the code or access to that authenticator code anymore. Well, don't worry, you still have an option. Okay, you're gonna want to go to this link right here, which I will leave in the description. Okay, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the option reset 2FA appeal link. Okay, you're gonna want to click on it. And by the way, you have the instructions from here, very clear instructions. You'll just need to send a video where you read out a verbal statement and display your ID just like this. Just follow the simple instructions from here, and once done, you should be able to reset your 2FA Google Authenticator. Okay, you'll be asked some questions as well, and after completing the call, once your request has been reviewed, the Binance team will inform you if the request was successful, completed, or if further actions is needed. Okay, that's basically it. And again, I will leave this link in the description. Go ahead and check it out, and I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.